educators, we wonder how we should teach our students effectively, and we are also concerned about how and what our classroom management will be. In this video, we will present you with three learning theories, and we will show how we can apply and facilitate them in our classroom. We will start first in behaviorism theory. Behaviorism is a learning theory based on the idea that behavior can be controlled or modified based on the antecedents and consequences of a behavior. For example, in the classroom, a behavior will only occur if given the right environment or antecedent. The behavior is more or less likely to reoccur based on the reinforcements or consequences that follow, such as rewards and punishments. Example for this are those students who complete all their homework this week don't have to take the quiz on Friday. This example removes the final test, which is the unpleasant stimulus which makes the student negatively reinforced to complete all their homeworks. Another example, every time that a student participates and recites during class discussions, he or she will receive a chip that is equivalent to an additional point in the quiz. Rewarding good behavior and getting students used to routines create habits in students that make them improve their learning. Behaviorism focuses on the idea that all behaviors are learned through interaction with the environment. It influences how students react and behave in the classroom, and it argues that teachers can have a direct influence on how their students behave. Our next theory is Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Multiple intelligences is a neurological theory that claims humans are born with only one intelligence. The 8 intelligences are verbal linguistic, visual spatial, bodily kinesthetic, mathematical logic, musical, intrapersonal, interpersonal, and naturalist. Understanding these intelligences will assist us in creating a classroom and curriculum that appeals to all of our students. We may incorporate all of the intelligences into classes at the same time to fit all the students' various learning methods. We can suppose that if we reach each student's intellect, they will perform better, which could suggest that they will retain more information. A teacher may accommodate every learning style in the classroom by doing simple tasks in a variety of ways. Depending on the intelligence of the students, all instructional objectives can be linked to at least 2 types of intelligences. For example, many students believe that mathematics is a very difficult subject because of the abstract concepts they must study. When we are teaching multiplication to the students, we can add visual references or teach children a song about multiplying. Students can study mathematics through drawing, dancing, blogging, and a variety of other activities. When such concepts are discussed through a learning activity that incorporates students' intelligences, students will find it more engaging and enjoyable because it is presented as something they enjoy doing. Last theory is Bloom's taxonomy. Bloom's theory is a hierarchy of learning objectives. Its original purpose was to give educators a common language to talk about curriculum design and assessment. It is a classification of the different objectives and skills that educators set for their students. The goal of an educator using Bloom's taxonomy is to encourage higher order thought in their students by building up from lower level cognitive skills. Bloom's taxonomy is built on a certain hierarchy of learning levels, and each level is necessary to achieve deeper, more sophisticated cognitive skills and capacities. For example, the lesson is about figurative languages. It starts by defining what is figurative language and then the types of figurative languages, moving on to understanding it and determining its differences. Then students will start to determine and recognize it in a context. The students will now make their own sentences using figurative language. Upon mastering it, they can now apply it in other literary texts. Understanding learning theories allows teachers to interact with a wide range of students. Teachers can target multiple learning styles in order to reach different students, resulting in instruction that is tailored to the specific needs and abilities of each student. Understanding how students learn will aid teachers in developing more effective teaching methods. While there are no simple answers to how students learn, learning theories can assist and provide a foundational understanding of the complicated process.